A new and powerful force is looking for a way into your life. The signs are everywhere. Not everyone is aware of their presence. But slowly and strongly, it enters the global consciousness. And once you know, there is no way back. This is Q Dance, and we have only just begun.
The drinks are flowing.
Q Dance is really about the music, and it's about the experience and about the people, and the hardstyle community that Q Dance creates is just so amazing.
We love this life.
And simple, we need all the harder styles in the US. Hardcore, hard trance, hard style, doesn't matter. It all needs to be out here, dude. Plain and simple. This is a movement, and Q Dance is gonna fucking start it.
We look like an army of hardstyle soldiers. Tell the DJ to throw down a camp